Good morning, students. So we are started in our social science subject, chapter 1. Let's know the history. So in last video, I explained which bark and palm leaves, Bhojpatra and Tadpatra. So second point is inscriptions. Articles which are carved on the metals and stone are called stone inscriptions. Articles write in curved and it is on metal and stone, it is called inscriptions. We can know about history from stone inscriptions. Many times inscriptions were done on metal also. It is write on metal and write on stone. Kings used to converse with people by carving his orders and commands on these rocks. किंग्स को कुछ ऑर्डर देना है तो वो कैसे लिखेंगे? वो मेटल पे या तो स्टोन पे लिख के उनको ऑर्डर देंगे. मैनी किंग्स एंड क्वीन हैव इंस्क्राइब्ड इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट देयर किंगडम, विक्ट्रीज, रिलीजन एंड कल्चर ऑन दिस स्टोन्स. Stone inscriptions of Ashoka are very famous. We know about Ashoka. Okay. So records and inscriptions written on these are long lasting. जो records and inscriptions metal and stone पे लिखे गए हैं वो long lasting, ज़्यादा लंबे टाइम तक वो रहते हैं. See this stone inscription of Ashoka's time, Junagadh. Okay. So next point is copper plate, Tamrapatra. The text which is engraved on copper sheet is called Tadpatra. जो कॉपर शीट पे लिखा गया है उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? ताड़पत्र. Many kings have engraved information about their administration and donations on Tadpatra. So many kings used it. Such Tadpatras have been found in Gujarat in large number. In Gujarat, it is found in large number. They give us information about name, religion, administration and donation. Such Tamrapatras have been preserved in Hemchandra Library in Patan, LD Institute of Indology, Navrangpura, Ahmedabad, BJ Learning and Research Studies, Vidya Bhavan, Ahmedabad, Sri Mahavir Jain Aradhana Kendra, Koba, Gandhinagar. So such Tamrapatras where it is preserved. So here is the name of place. So next is coins. Coins are also an important source to know about history. History जानने के लिए important source coin are also. We get information about the name of king, his religion, culture and time from these coins. हमें information मिलती है name of king, his religion, culture and time from these coins. Panchmark coins of 5th BC have been found in India. So 5th BC before Christ, which is the oldest coin? Panchmark coin, which is the oldest coin. So Panchmark coin is the oldest coin. Other than these gold, silver and copper coins of Greek kings. Mauryan age, Gupta age have been found. Later we will see Mauryan age and Gupta age. They give us information about their social, religious and economic and political structure of that state. इससे हमें इंफॉर्मेशन क्या मिलती है? सोशल, रिलीजियस, इकोनॉमिक एंड पॉलिटिकल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ दैट स्टेट्स. सो हियर इज द कॉइन्स. Panchmark coins. The coins created by pressing metal pieces in the mold are called Panchmark coins. So here is the picture of Panchmark coins. So next is students studying history, archaeologists, historians and travelers. History means information given by archaeologists about past of human society. On the basis of research, they go to ancient places and dig out the houses, coins, bricks, stones, implements, sample of food, bones of men and animals, etc. हिस्ट्री का मीनिंग क्या है कि आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट जो होते हैं वो पास्ट की ह्यूमन सोसाइटी के बेसिस पे रिसर्च करते हैं और दे गो टू एंशिएंट प्लेसेस, प्राचीन प्लेसेस पे वो जाते हैं, उसको डिग आउट करते हैं, उसमें से हाउसेस, कॉइन्स, ब्रिक्स, स्टोन्स, इम्प्लीमेंट्स, सैंपल ऑफ फूड, बोन्स ऑफ मैन एंड एनिमल्स, ये सब जो फाउंड करते हैं और उसके ऊपर एंड स्टडी देम एंड मेक अस अवेयर अबाउट कल्चर ऑफ मैन ऑफ दैट टाइम, उस पर स्टडी करते हैं और फिर वो हमें इंफॉर्मेशन देते हैं कि उनका कल्चर उस टाइम पे कैसा था। मैन हैज़ बीन वंडरिंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर सिंस एंशिएंट टाइम्स। एंशिएंट टाइम्स से मैन हैज़ वंडरिंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर, एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस पे जाना। मैनी ट्रैवलर्स हैव विजिटेड अदर कंट्रीज टू नोट लाइफ ऑफ पीपल देयर। From the travel details of such travelers, we get information about the history and culture of a country. It includes travelers like Megasthenes, Pliny, Fahian, टीशांग। ये जो ट्रैवलर है वो सारे ट्रैवलर हमारी इंडिया में आए थे। So children, here is the part 2 of chapter 1. Another part I explain in next video. Okay, have a nice day.